And let's talk kind of this year, what we can expect. Do you think most of the gains will come from new, more powerful models?
That's 300 pages of a standard book, 16 times longer than our 8K context.
Some of the limitations that you think this will be the year we overcome these.
A lot of people have tasks that require a much longer context length.
Sam Altman revealed 10 things likely coming in 2024 for ChatGPT.
And so I think one piece of knowledge is that this technology, even with all of its current limitations, is far more useful.
That's 300 pages of a standard book, 16 times longer than our 8K context.
So that's a good one. I think access to specific data and the ability to use specific data in a much better way.
Revealing 10 things. One of the most well-known and potent AI chatbots ever created, ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, a research company that Sam Altman co-founded. ChatGPT uses a big language model that learns from the internet to generate writing on nearly any topic, from poetry to coding. Millions of people use ChatGPT for a variety of reasons, including creativity, business, education, and enjoyment. What does ChatGPT's future hold though? What enhancements and new features may we expect in 2024? The CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, recently tweeted out 10 predictions for ChatGPT for the upcoming year. Number 10. AGI. The aim of Artificial General Intelligence or AGI is to build a system that is capable of any intellectual work that a human being is capable of. Because ChatGPT can produce logical and varied language on any subject, many see it as a step towards artificial intelligence.
Good morning. Welcome to our first ever OpenAI Dev Day.
Make this totally different from any previous kind of technology.
Nevertheless, ChatGPT is still a long way from being genuinely intelligent because it frequently makes logical or factual mistakes and lacks understanding of the context or meaning of what it writes. Sam Altman requests that people who anticipate ChatGPT achieving AGI soon exercise a little patience. He suggests that while OpenAI is putting a lot of effort into making ChatGPT smarter and more adept, achieving AGI will require time and patience. Number 9. GPT-5. The GPT family of language models, which also includes ChatGPT, has a new generation called GPT-5. GPT-5, which is anticipated to launch in 2024, will be far bigger and more potent than ChatGPT, which is built on top of GPT-4. Compared to ChatGPT, GPT-5 will have more parameters, data, and capabilities. It will also be able to produce more precise, varied, and imaginative prose on any subject.
Its overall intelligence, its ability to do longer, more complex problems, more accurately, more of them.
And let's talk kind of this year, what we can expect. Do you think most of the gains will come from new, more powerful models?
According to Sam Altman, GPT-5 will be a significant update for ChatGPT with new features and functionalities that will improve user happiness. Although he doesn't go into specifics on what GPT-5 would include, he implies that it will be worth the wait. Number 8. Better voice model. ChatGPT's voice mode feature lets users communicate with a chatbot by speaking orders and receiving responses, as opposed to typing and reading text. Voice mode is helpful for people who have trouble reading or writing, or who would rather talk than write. Because voice mode mimics an actual interaction with a human, it is also more engaging and natural.
Okay, so now on to the new stuff, and we have got a lot.
GPT-4 could do a lot more. GPT-5 will be able to do a lot more. And the thing that, or whatever we call it.
Sam Altman claims that in 2024, voice mode will be enhanced and provide more dependability, quality, and speed. Additionally, he makes the implication that voice mode will be able to adjust to the user's tone, personality, and mood, in addition to being more expressive and emotional. Number 7. Higher rate limits. The constraints known as rate limitations set a maximum amount of text that ChatGPT can produce or process in a certain length of time. Rate limitations are required to stop excessive requests or lengthy text from overloading or abusing the chatbot. Rate limitations are another method of controlling the expenses and resources needed to run ChatGPT, which has high processing and storage requirements. According to Sam Altman, rate limitations will rise in 2024, enabling ChatGPT users to produce or analyze more text in less time. Additionally, he says that rate limitations would be more adaptable and customizable based on the requirements and preferences of the user. Number 6. Better GPTs. Generic pre-trained transformers or GPTs are the brains behind ChatGPT and other language models. Deep learning algorithms known as GPTs can produce text based on a likelihood of a word occurring next in a sequence by analyzing a vast corpus of text. The fundamental technology of ChatGPT is its generation of GPTs, which also control the text's diversity and quality.
First, we're going to talk about a bunch of improvements we've made, and then we'll talk about where we're headed next.
If history is a guide for us, it is the more advanced model that is the most important step forward.
Sam Altman promises that in 2024, GPTs will be enhanced, which will enable ChatGPT to produce and process text more effectively. Additionally, he makes the claim that GPTs will be more sophisticated and advanced, capable of handling increasingly difficult and complex activities, including summarizing, reasoning, interpreting, and responding to inquiries. Number 5. Better reasoning. The capacity for logical, rational thought, as well as the ability to infer conclusions from data and facts, is known as reasoning. One of the most crucial and challenging skills for an AI system to acquire is reasoning, which calls for comprehension, context, and common sense. Because reasoning can assist users with a variety of issues and questions, it is also one of the most requested and wanted tools for ChatGPT users. According to Sam Altman, in 2024, thinking will be enhanced, making ChatGPT more perceptive and beneficial. He also suggests that reasoning will be able to handle more scenarios and disciplines, including arithmetic, science, history, and philosophy, and it will be more consistent and dependable.
We've heard loud and clear that developers need more control over the model's responses and outputs.
I think where we're headed, and then I'll talk about this year, is we're headed towards the way you use a computer is to talk to it.
Number 4. Control over behavior. The phrase wokeness describes a person's awareness and sensitivity to social and political issues, including injustice, misogyny, inequality, and racism. The phrase wokeness is also frequently used to disparage or criticize those who are thought to be excessively radical, progressive, or extreme in their behavior and beliefs. Being woke is a contentious and individualized concept that influences ChatGPT's writing and responses to specific subjects and individuals. According to Sam Altman, in 2024, consumers will be able to tailor ChatGPT to their preferences and comfort level, giving them greater control over the chatbot's level of wokeness or behavior.
A lot of people have tasks that require a much longer context length.
Some of the limitations that you think this will be the year we overcome these.
Additionally, he suggests that users will have a selection of wokeness or behavior degrees, including neutral, conservative, liberal, funny, sarcastic, and courteous. Number 3. Video. With the help of the video capability, ChatGPT can produce or handle video content in addition to or instead of text content. Video is a strong and well-liked type of entertainment and communication that may provide more dynamic and visual experiences and information. Video demands the understanding and creation of sounds, motions, and visuals, making it another difficult and sophisticated task for an AI system to perform. According to Sam Altman, video will be available in 2024 and will allow ChatGPT to create and handle video material related to any subject. Additionally, he makes suggestions that video will be immersive, interactive, and able to change based on user input and choices. Number 2. Personalization. With the help of its personalization tool, ChatGPT can adjust its text or video content based on the interest, background, and profile of the user. For consumers who seek a more tailored and pertinent ChatGPT experience and content, personalization is helpful and advantageous. Since personalization demonstrates that ChatGPT is aware and concerned for its users, it also helps to foster a sense of trust and loyalty between the two parties. According to Sam Altman, in 2024, ChatGPT will be more engaging and user-friendly with increased personalization. Additionally, he says that personalization would be more varied and accurate, and it will be able to accommodate various user segments, including those based on language, location, age, gender, and hobbies. Number 1. Better browsing. Browsing is a feature that allows ChatGPT to search and access information from the internet and to present it to the user in a convenient and concise way. Browsing is helpful and convenient for users who want to learn or explore more about a topic or a question, and who do not want to spend time or effort on searching and reading through multiple sources. Browsing is also a way of expanding and updating the knowledge and data of ChatGPT, as it can learn from the internet. Sam Altman declares that browsing will be improved in 2024 and it will make ChatGPT more informative and efficient. He also suggests that browsing will be more comprehensive and selective, and it will be able to find and filter the best and most relevant sources and information for the user. ChatGPT, a step towards Artificial General Intelligence or AGI, is set to undergo significant improvements in 2024. The next-gen language model, GPT-5, will be larger and more powerful, offering more parameters for accurate, diverse, and creative text generation. Voice mode will evolve with enhanced quality, speed, expressiveness, and adaptability to users' tone and mood. Rate limits will be increased, providing users more flexibility and customization. Video capabilities will enable ChatGPT to generate and process video content, providing a more dynamic and immersive experience. Personalization will be more accurate and diverse, tailoring content to individual user profiles, history, and interests. ChatGPT has many features and functionalities that make it useful and enjoyable for millions of users around the world. However, ChatGPT is not perfect, and it still has room for improvement and development. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.